here with Homer. This is your return visit. You had the previous video, right? You had little spots on the legs we talked about. I think we told everybody that you had staph, that you had a history of MRSA, and that we put you on some antibiotics and gave you some ointment to stick up your nose, right?
Yep.
How's that sticking the ointment up the nose thing going for you?
Kind of odd, but it's working.
It's working, isn't it? It's amazing how well that does work. And the little wounds, the little red spots, Mama, how's that going?
A lot better.
A lot better. Okay, so we're healing up there. So you've come back and you've got this spot on your face here. This is the right, I would say this is the right cheekbone here, maxillary bone, right? And you've got this, wow, kind of spongy feeling. And that's either a cyst or a lipoma. We're just not sure right now, are we, until we open it up. How long you had that there?
Oh, I would say at least 4 or 5 years.
It's been a while, huh? Okay, has it ever drained or anything like that?
No.
Okay, good. All right. Scissors. You gonna give me some scissors? Awesome. We got the DW helping out today again. So, there's a really nice salad waiting for me, so we're gonna want to, you know.
We went and bought a bunch of diet stuff.
Did you really?
Chicken, vegetables.
Oh, I don't eat any of that stuff.
Oh,
I eat
vegetables.
vegetables.
Pass the ice cream out of them.
Not for me. I know what ice cream comes from.
Uh-oh.
Comes from milk.
Well, there you have it. I don't like milk. It wouldn't work for me.
I'm not going to get into that on this video, but we do talk about that in some other spaces. All right, so I've just cleaned you up a little bit with some betadine, and now I'm just using a bit of alcohol here. So we're going to do our best to not reveal your identity or anything, but I think your eyes are covered. But you're okay, Homer, if we video your procedure for all our friends on YouTube like we did before?
Yes.
You sure about that?
Sure.
Move it. I'm going to need you to close your eyes kind of tightly for this, Homer, because while we've got your eye covered here, I want to be sure none of the cold spray leaks down in there and gives you a chill on the eye. So give me a little cold spray right there. Good. All right, a little stick sting.
Stick sting and a burn.
There we go. Right over here, stick sting and a burn.
I think that's what I was most excited about to hear.
Stick sting and a burn, huh? You were excited about that? Okay. We'll take whatever we get. Yeah, you feel a little burning right there. Mm-hmm. That's good. It's better for you to feel it now than later, right?
Sure.
I'm going to come this other direction with this one. So, are you a hunter?
No.
Fisherman?
Yeah, I like to fish.
You like to fish? What do you like, deep water, or you like bay fishing, or you like freshwater fishing?
Yeah, I like offshore.
You like offshore? So everybody looks at these videos and it looks like it's so shaky, and I do have a little bit of a tremor, and there's no question but that I do. I've been through 2 significant neck surgeries to help with that problem. But the other thing that people have to realize is that this video is magnified 3x. Sometimes we do a little bit more than that. We'll go 4 or 5x, and so it makes it'll make a rock look like it's shaking at that magnification. How you doing, bud? You doing all right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We're almost done with this part.
Is he getting
Stick
numb?
right there. Yeah, he's numbing up okay. And we're going to stop at this point, and we're going to let the medicine just work, and then we're going to come back and take this cyst out for him. Thank you very much. All right, Homer, take a little nap, and I'll be back with you shortly.
Okay.
She drives a big one, that's for sure. All right, we're going to make a little incision here. Hopefully, you're not going to feel it. We're going to make the incision with the wrinkle lines on the face, okay? So that means that when this heals, it should be very, very able to, or should blend in, I should say, quite well with your face. I'm already seeing the cyst here, so that's interesting.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Right there. So I'm going to set this down, and we're just going to see if you give me the curved forceps, please, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see this, Mama Homer?
Yep. Oh, wow.
It's right there.
It's really big.
Mm-hmm.
It's so superficial. I'm thinking this is more likely to be an epidermoid cyst than a lipoma.
Are you feeling anything? You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing fine.
He's just nervous, right? You're just a little nervous? All right, let me set this down and get the forceps.
More excited to get this off my face.
Yeah?
We're in the end of, he takes Band-Aids and he cuts them. And
Oh, yeah.
He's over it.
He doesn't like it, I know. Scissors, please.
Reminds him of that Austin Power movie with that one who has a mole on his face. Moly.
Holy moly or something like
Yeah.
that? Or whatever that is.
He said that's what he feels like when people look right at it.
Well, that's what I thought. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's,
Oh, goodness.
yeah. Let's capture that. I'll get it.
Yummy.
So the
See, I
pressure
used
was
to
just
make
too
this
much.
stuff
Can you see that?
for 'em. Wow.
So we're gonna have to go ahead and just squeeze that and empty it. But clearly we have an epidermoid cyst on the side of the face here.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's a lot in there.
That's huge.
You feeling okay, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
All
You're
right.
going to be happy to lose this little friend.
Yeah, you
Oh,
may not
yeah.
want to watch this video. I think you'll be impressed. Yeah, I think it's a little bit disturbing.
Our children wouldn't watch it.
Let me have that curved forcep, please,
I'm not
man.
gonna look.
Ooh, it sure has an aroma.
Well, now you're saying that, not me.
I can't smell a thing.
Can't sell
Not
you.
me either. I don't ever smell.
I'm pretty
Ooh, you're right. It does have an aroma, doesn't it? Well, we're getting rid
Well,
of it.
luckily you had
Oh,
those
yes.
antibiotics.
That's right. Well, it's not. This is not an infection.
No,
so
it's not infected at all, but
we're gonna see if we can grab that right there and just tease it on out. We can do sometimes if we're just gentle and we take our time. We can get these cysts to come on out.
And that was caused by like dirt and oil and
Could have been. It could have been his diet. It could have been genetics. It could have been a lot of things. Could have been his choice of a spouse. I mean, there could be a lot of... Oh, was that out loud? I meant to just think that last part.
poor Mrs. Homer.
you can call me Marge.
Oh, my.
Is that why you have? Is that why you have the blue hair over there? I wonder.
I just don't have it high enough.
So it's coming on out here. I don't even think we have to really cut. I think we just can tease it. Sometimes these things will just come on out. Sometimes they won't. But this one looks like it's going to cooperate with this
Yeah.
and come on out, doesn't it?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Pretty amazing, huh, Mrs. Homer?
Yeah.
Marge.
Marge.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we are at the bottom of the sack there, so if you will give me the scissors, please, ma'am.
I told him it probably looked like cottage cheese.
It looked to me more like cream cheese.
Yeah,
What do you
cream
think?
cheese.
We're definitely, the whole sack is definitely out. That's just some scar tissue, connective tissue that's coming out with it right there. You feeling any pain, buddy?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Ooh, there was some pain.
Oh, well, guess what? It's out.
It is.
I guess we get a little pain at the right time. Let's get a little flush in there. Did you
Okay.
bring me a little flush?
Yep.
Okay. And another 4x4, please, ma'am.
I've got-
Which, of course, I
That's
wouldn't.
right.
I would never forget that.
That's what we do. We
Yeah, a
remind
little
y'all.
stitch. Well, obviously, we're men. We need to be reminded.
I got pretty lucky on my draw, though.
I did too. We didn't really have any courtship.
No?
No, we met in February, married in June, and had our first child by January.
Wow.
In
That was
91.
fast, huh?
Yeah, it was like thunder or lightning just struck us loose. Suddenly, everyone in the room disappeared.
All right, we're going to want to take these out as soon as possible, but not too soon, okay?
Look right at it.
Well, that's what I thought. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's,
Oh, goodness.
yeah. Let's capture that. I'll get it.
Yummy.
So the
See, I
pressure
used to
was
make
just
this
too
stuff
much.
for 'em.
Can you see that?
Wow.
So we're going to have to go ahead and just squeeze that and empty it. But clearly we have an epidermoid cyst on the side of the face here.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah. There's a lot in there.
That's huge.
You feeling okay, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
All
You're
right.
going to be happy to lose this little friend.
Yeah, you
Oh,
may not
yeah.
want to watch this video.
Hey, my name's Leanne. I'm checking in with Thynergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thynergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thynergy. You guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thynergy.
Thynergy.
To all the crew at Thynergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Thynergy. I think you should give it a shot.